Amazon wig review HairCube pink bob wig with bangs, MsSassyPat.
Why do women always call their wigs her? Go figure. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat. Today I thought I'd do something a little fun. So I wanted to buy a pink wig. On Saturday, I went shopping on Amazon. I was looking for something that was cost efficient. I only wanted to pay under $20 for it, and something that had bangs and something that was like super cute, and you know, something that I just thought would be a little fun. I went on Amazon and I found the cutest wigs. I'm just super excited to show you my wig, so let's do this video. So I was super impressed with the packaging, the timing. So this is what it looks like. Can you see? I want you to see the name. And I was just really impressed that a wig that I paid $12.99 would come in a really nice package. Let me tell you the name of the wig. It's the HairCube Lovely Pink Bob Wig 14-inch. It's a pink wig, short, curly, synthetic, and it's a wig with bangs. So I was very, very happy. So let's open this. So it has one of those zip tie things, and you just open it. It's gonna put that. It did come with a little wig cap, which I was super impressed with. So this is what it looks like.
HairCube Lovely Pink Bob Wig, 14 inches. Short, curly, synthetic wig with bangs. Amazon, $12.99.
Oh, let's get ready to open this. Just gonna pull it out the packaging. It comes with this little cardboard thing to hold it. And it's in like a protective netting. Look how beautiful she looks. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, I just love this wig. So let me try it on. I'm gonna just take out my braids or my little pony poos. Let's see if I can use this cap. So this is what the cap looks like. You see here, this one has more like elastic and this one does not. So let's try this, okay? My head is kind of big, so I have to get my little braids in this cap. All right. This is a little bit on the tight side, so I don't know if I would want to wear this cap all day or if this would give me a headache. But that's what it looks like. I don't think it looks bad. Now let me show you the inside. I mean, for $12, look how beautiful this is. Then you have the little, I don't know what you call it, the little hooks that you can like make it tighter in the back. Let's try on this wig. Ooh. Wow. I feel like Little Kim, so, but, we're gonna make this work. What do you guys think? I love it. So let's try to comb her out a little. Why do women always call their wigs her? Go figure. So let's try to comb her out just a little. I don't want to comb it too much because I don't want to lose any of the curls. I love the bang, so let's try to like swoop it a little. Oops, some of the long pieces. So, what do you guys think? I mean, I think I still need to tweak it a little. Probably kind of cut the bangs a little. I love it. A 1 out of 10. I think I'd give this wig a 12 because I really love it. I love like the waves. I think that's what you call it. It just looks so pretty. If I had some skills, or if I knew how to cut it, or if I felt more comfortable with actually tweaking the wig, I would definitely cut the bangs just a little bit shorter for me. And then I think the length is okay. What do you think? But all in all, I love this wig. I think it's super beautiful. I mean, I am super happy with this wig. I am so glad that I purchased it. I think that you can do a lot of different hairstyles with this wig. So yeah, so this is super pretty. So maybe this is like, I'm going to work look. And then maybe you could like pull it back like this. And if you had a rubber band, let's see, you could have your little, oh, look how cute that looks. It's so pretty. Go like that. And maybe you could do maybe 2 ponytails like this. I don't know if you could see it, or maybe you could put like a scarf on with it, but this wig is super pretty, super beautiful. It is worth the $12.99 that I paid for it. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go put on a little bit more makeup, and I'm gonna come back and share my final thoughts. I will be right back. Okay, so I tried to comb it. I did trim the bangs just a little bit, and I added some more makeup, and I added a little blush and some more gloss. So I just feel super glamorous with this wig. I just simply love it. I just put it behind my ear, and then I tried to take this part out to make it, you know, look more believable. But like I said, if I felt more comfortable with cutting it, I would kind of cut it just a little bit, and I would definitely do a better job, maybe cut some of the longer pieces into a more fuller bang. But for $12.99, I just think that this wig is beautiful. So would I buy it again? Yes, I would. I just think it looks amazing. So what do you think? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know what you'd like my next video to be. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on my very next one.
Baby, you're my type of woman. You're my type of woman, baby.
Oh, MsSassyPat. Wow.
You make your hair look good, get your makeup right, get you dressing nice, alright. She got expo light, cook tonight, she might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tune in. Maybe you should tune in.
Life hack, she got nice wigs, she got good skin, she got good hair. MsSassyPat, yeah, it's all there.
Maybe you should tell me that.